In the name of God, Salam. Warm greetings from Iran. I'm Iranian and so glad to have such a great chance to share with you my ideas about animal nutrition. Today, I want to tell you about production of haylage for ruminant livestock. Thus, please stay with me step by step. Thanks. Nutritional management is the main part of daily activities in each livestock farm. Tactful managers have to decrease the feed cost as much as possible. Besides, we have to optimize the productive performance of farm animals and, of course, with environmental considerations. Among different types of forages and concentrated feeds, corn silage is a valuable feed ingredient for ruminant livestock that is widely used in many countries. However, cultivation of corn as a water-consuming plant is not reasonable in arid and semi-arid regions. On the other hand, the limited fertilized lands are mostly used to cultivate rice and wheat for human consumption. And sometimes, straw as a main byproduct is unfortunately burnt. Albeit nutrient content of wheat straw is not rich enough, however, we shouldn't neglect its importance as a fiber source in ruminant nutrition. Moreover, its nutritional value can be enhanced through fortification by different feed additives. Interestingly, fruit juice byproducts, including these carrot pulps, are valuable biomass for animal nutrition due to their nutrient contents such as vitamins, minerals, and protein. However, the durability of these fresh and fleshy fruit and vegetable residuals is so limited because of susceptibility to fungi growth and subsequently mycotoxicosis disaster. Thus, as an option, these carrot pulps and other fruit juice byproducts can be utilized in animal feeding in dry form, which needs drying process with costly equipments. Also, during heating process, they will definitely lose some nutrients. In conclusion, now it's time to find a cost-effective solution with better efficiency. According to our research and experience, ensiling can be an acceptable answer to some of the mentioned challenges. Originally, haylage is a silage product made from forage grasses and legumes containing 40 to 60% dry matter. But typical silage has usually less than 30% dry matter. In corn silage, after excluding air, the respiration by the plant cells stops, and then acetic and lactic acids are produced by bacteria that feed on the available starches and simple sugars in this chopped corn. Fermentation will continue until enough acid is produced to stop bacterial action, and desired degree of acidity should occur within 3 weeks after the silo is filled. Therefore, properly stored silage has a vinegar-type odor and with a pH usually below 4.5. However, in such high dry matter haylage, excluding air and maintaining anaerobic conditions becomes even more important. Because if air seeps into the material or if too much moisture is present, insufficient acid will permit undesirable bacteria to produce butyric acid. That is why the smell of rancid butter indicates poor quality haylage that is low in energy. The pH of well-preserved haylage might be around 5 and even more, and this product will have a far less pronounced distinctive silage smell. By the way, a homogeneous mixture of fruit juice residuals and chopped roughages or hay is necessary to achieve a good quality haylage. And as you see, this can be done by just a simple spade. And now the mixing process is almost completed, thus it's time for packaging. These sorts of plastic bags with different capacities can be found everywhere and are really suitable for packaging of haylage. Here we use sodium bentonite on the bottom and over the top of haylage inside the plastic bag as an anti-mold agent and moisture absorber. It really works very well. Also, bentonite helps for modulation of metabolism in rumen and prevents acidosis. And then a layer of chopped wheat straw is added. Next, each layer of mixed materials should be compressed very well. Different layers, once after another, little by little. In this way, we can create a high quality haylage if done correctly. This new type of haylage has about 40 to 50% dry matter. Therefore, it has more nutritional value as compared to corn silage. And a noticeable advantage of this haylage is less nutrient loss during storage. As you know, providing absolute anaerobic condition is vital to achieve the best result. Thus, we have to close and seal it in the best way. As you see, the prepared package is perfect now and it can be transported to everywhere easily. Anyway, we have tried to introduce the most simple procedure for production of a brand new feed for all ruminants, including camel, cattle, buffalo, sheep, and goat. This is a suitable replacement for corn silage, especially in rural and even nomadic situations. Furthermore, any sort of plant residual from family foods can be used as a raw material for haylage. For example, peels of potato, apple, banana, orange, tangerine, eggplant, cucumber, and also tomato waste, discarded spaghetti, rice, pieces of bread, and grayed out vegetables. This haylage is palatable for all livestock and can be utilized separately or as a part of total mixed ration. By the way, acclimatization is required for prevention of any possible disorder, and the amount of daily usage in the diet can be gradually increased at least after 1 week adaptation. And as you see, we have successfully evaluated this new haylage in Simmental and Holstein cattle, as well as indigenous cows, steer, goats, and sheep. Also, we humbly invite all academic researchers to focus on this new area for profound studies. Let's enjoy the science in practice. Eventually, the plastic bag of this haylage can be reused as a garbage bag to have a much more beautiful environment. Good luck!